So you're in the market for a professional softbox diffuser. It needs to be easy to carry, easy to work with, easy to store. Guess what? Stay tuned for the Lastolite Ezybox softbox diffuser kit. Now let's take a look and see what Lastolite gives you with the Ezybox Hotshoe softbox 15-inch size. Notice that it comes with a really nice storage container. That means that you can take it with you everywhere. Now let's open it up. And well, guess what? You also get a storage container for your backlight stand. So if you already own a stand, this is perfect because they give you a really nice padded container to take it along with you everywhere. And also, if let's say, for example, you happen to be lucky enough that you have an assistant, you also get a softbox hand bracket that allows you to extend it out and hold it with one hand. So that's really nice that that's already provided in the kit. And then of course, you get your flash stand adapter. This is compatible with all standard light stands out on the market. So you can attach your SpeedLite and your flash to the Lastolite 15-inch softbox. Put that aside. And then we'll notice that we also get the 15-inch Ezybox Hotshoe diffuser. Now we open this up here, and of course you're going to get your instructional pamphlet with some promotional material showing some more of Lastolite's marvelous product, and also your warranty card is in here. Remember, their products usually work for up to 2 years manufacturer's warranty. Of course, the warranty is only good in the US and if it's purchased from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja. Here is the actual speed ring. This is going to allow you to connect your 15-inch softbox to your flash. And here is the diffusion material. So you're going to get the front diffuser panel with really good Velcro, of course, and an interior baffle for additional diffusion. So you have an option to change the diffusion capabilities of this softbox. And of course, the softbox itself with the incredible reflective interior that guarantees to get even lighting all throughout and get the most light out of your flash source. It's fantastic for doing beautiful soft portraiture and group shots because remember, the bigger the softbox it is, the more diffused the light gets, the softer the light it's going to output. It comes with a front-facing diffuser and an interior baffle if you need even additional diffusion. Now, of course, it's fully lined in a silver reflective surface to give you that even soft lighting. It comes with a speed ring that allows you to attach the softbox easily to your favorite flash, and of course it comes with the Hotshoe flash adapter that has the standard connection for the most popular light stands out there. This version does not provide a light stand, but it does have a carrying bag for your convenience so you can take your favorite light stand with you. And this all folds down to a nice convenient size, which comes with a fantastic storage case so you can take it with you on the go. That's the beauty of the Ezybox system. So there we have it, the SpeedLite 15-inch softbox diffuser for Hotshoe flashes. Well, I hope this video helped you out on how convenient it is to work with the Lastolite Hotshoe softbox diffuser, available in the 15x15 size. It's also available in other sizes. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button underneath and subscribe to the channel for future unboxings, tutorials, and overviews. And whenever you're in the Miami area, come by and say hello at the Digital Goja showrooms. Happy shooting.